Welcome to AgriSense, an AI-powered crop recommendation platform designed to make farming smarter, more sustainable, and more profitable. Farmers get personalized crop suggestions based on soil, weather, and regional conditions, turning raw data into real-time insights. With AgriSense, farmers have already seen up to 20% higher yields, 95% accuracy rates, and support for more than 50 crop types. Creating an account is simple. A farmer enters basic details, name, location, and optional farm parameters such as soil nutrients, rainfall, and area. They can also auto-detect location or manually select their state and district. Once registered, the farmer signs in to access a personalized dashboard built entirely around their farm data. Dashboard Overview. Here we're logged in as Ravi, a farmer from Mysuru, Karnataka. The dashboard gives a snapshot of real-time conditions, current temperature, humidity, farm area, and yield comparisons across years. At a glance, Ravi can see his top 3 crop recommendations, ranked by suitability and probability of success. Crop Analysis. The Crop Analysis panel shows how each major crop performs in current soil and weather conditions. For example, rice shows an 80% suitability rating, while wheat and corn have slightly lower scores. This lets the farmer plan the next season with confidence. Soil Health. Next is the Soil Health section. It displays nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, pH, moisture, and rainfall, color-coded to show low, optimal, or high ranges. Below, AgriSense automatically suggests actionable improvements like applying specific fertilizers or adjusting pH levels for better growth. Weather history. Farmers can also view a 5-day weather history, including temperature and rainfall trends. This data helps them time sowing, irrigation, and harvest more accurately. Advanced Analytics. AgriSense analyzes profitability versus suitability across crops, helping farmers choose not just what will grow, but what will pay. Assets Overview. The dashboard also supports digital farm infrastructure. Farmers can add IoT sensors, surveillance cameras, and agricultural drones. Even if no devices are connected yet, it's ready to scale as they grow their digital setup. Farmer Learning Hub. The built-in Learning Hub connects farmers with government schemes, insurance, and market strategies. They can explore PMKISAN income support, crop insurance, low-interest Kisan credit cards, and solar irrigation initiatives. Live market prices from various Indian markets are also integrated so farmers can time their sales and maximize profits. Yield Prediction. With a single click, AgriSense predicts the farm's yield per hectare using live data inputs. Here, Ravi's predicted yield is 1,347 quintals per hectare, a clear, actionable metric for planning the season ahead. Crop Recommendation Deep Dive. AgriSense uses soil nutrients, temperature, humidity, pH, and rainfall to rank top crops for Ravi's field. In this case, papaya tops the list, followed by banana and jute. The platform even provides a quick start guide for each recommended crop, from land preparation and planting to spacing and irrigation. It also gives optimization tips for existing crops like rice, showing the exact steps to boost yield. Smart Interaction. AgriSense lets farmers choose how to interact, by voice or by chat.
Hello Ravi, the current temperature is 23.6 degrees Celsius with 78% humidity. Your farm looks generally healthy. How can I help you today?
How are my farm doing?
Farm status summary, Ravi, Mysuru, Karnataka. Parameter current value, ideal range for maize assessment.
This breaks language barriers and improves accessibility for farmers with different literacy levels. Plant disease detection. Finally, farmers can snap or upload a plant photo to detect diseases instantly. Here, AgriSense has identified rust with 92% confidence and recommended a targeted treatment plan. This feature helps farmers act quickly to protect their crops, reduce losses, and cut costs. Closing AgriSense is more than an app. It's a partner for every farmer, bringing AI, data, and actionable insights directly to the field. Join thousands of farmers who are already transforming their yields and livelihoods with AgriSense. Smart farming starts here.